Discover Marquesado de Molins, an elegant new residential complex just 150 metres from Las Higuericas Beach in Torre de la Horadada. Choose between stylish two-bedroom ground-floor bungalows with private gardens from €334,000 or upper-floor bungalows with spacious solariums from €339,000, both designed for modern Mediterranean living. Enjoy contemporary open-plan spaces, private parking and premium finishes, all set within beautifully landscaped communal areas, complete with a swimming pool and paddle court. Located in one of the Costa Blanca's most desirable beachside areas, Marquesado de Molins offers a perfect blend of relaxation and activity. Perfectly situated close to golf courses, marinas and shopping centres, and only 30 minutes from Murcia Airport, this development offers the ultimate coastal lifestyle. And don't forget, if you purchase this property with Welcome Estates, you will receive a 1% moving in gift voucher. Contact Welcome Estates today to find your dream home by the sea in Torre de la Horadada.
Welcome Estates, your trusted partner for finding dream homes in Costa Blanca, Spain. Beautiful new build villas, seaside apartments and country fincas. Start your journey today at welcomeestates.com and let us find your perfect home.